Okay, introduce yourself. Sir, this is Surya Prakash. I am from Tirupati. My family consists of 4 members. My father, my mother, my elder brother, and me, sir. My strength, sir. My strength is one of the biggest strength is I can handle each and every person.
Okay. Why should I hear you?
Actually, I am very enthusiastic from the childhood onwards, and I have the marketing skills from the childhood. Sir, I have to give them one example, sir. I have to prove I have the marketing skills. With your permission, I have to give one example. Yeah. In the second standard, my house on Goa tree is there, sir. On Goa tree is there, sir. In that time, I become the bus every day to school, and I sell to the students, sir. And in that time, I don't have much more knowledge about the marketing skills, but I have one thing: I have to earn money. And every day I am selling the bus in the school, and I return to the home. I am giving to the money to my mother, sir. My mother is very appreciative for this. In that time, this is the example, sir. Thank you.
Yes, right. How much package do you expect from us?
Sir, first you test me, sir. The marketing field. Your company, first test me. Then we will use the correct limited salary, sir. What is your hobby? Sir, my hobbies are reading books and know everything present in the society, and also I have some ability to the marketing skills.
You told me you supposed to test me, yeah? Okay, for 2 months I will give 5,000. So, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, not a problem.
Happiness.
Sir, already I have the told my strength is I can handle to each and every person, and I can manage each and every consumer, right? In the marketing field, we have to face each and every person to sell our products, right? I can handle each and every person, many ways or like that. Good communication skills, sir. By the Ramakrishna Reddy, sir, in that time, my college time, he conducted a communication skill program, sir. One month, name is UNEXT. In that time, I must improve my communication skills very well, sir. He supported me a lot, sir.
I have 2 questions for you. Okay. Can you differentiate soft skills and hard skills? Next, you told me that you read books, right? Can you name 2 others?
I have prepared each and every midday exams, Ramaya notes, sir.
Thank you, Nelly.
Thank you, sir.
మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నారు చెప్పండి.
He doesn't have sufficient knowledge, but he is a hard worker, I think. If we train him well enough, I guess he will give fruitful results in future. So let's hire him.